Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Jabra Evolve3 65 Flex headset. Full disclosure, this is a pre-production model on loan from Jabra. They are not sponsoring me, nor have they asked me to make this video. So let's open the box and see what we've got. So on the inside lid here we have some directions as far as what the buttons and features of the headsets are. There's also a QR code here to get the manual. And there's not much really inside the box. We have the headset within the case. There is a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging, and then just standard warranty and safety information. The case is very small and compact. It is actually, here is the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex. So this is the previous generation, this is the new generation. And as you can see, the cases are very similar in size. Actually, the new case is maybe just slightly bigger, but it feels a lot more compact because this is more of a hard shell case, whereas the old one is a little bit softer and it kind of expands out a little bit more. So this one just feels a little bit more compact. We'll open it up here for the first time, and that's it. We have just the headset. There's no pocket or anything here. We do still have the little dock, I guess you could call it, the little cutout here for the receiver. So depending on if you get the USB-A or USB-C receiver, it will fit in there. So the USB-A goes this way, and the USB-C fits in there like that. So that's the same as the 75 and 85 models. There's also a little cutout there. You can kind of see to show you which way it folds up. And that's it for the case. Again, I wish there was a little pocket or something to hold the charging cable, but I guess they omitted that to make it less bulky or something. So now let's take a look at the headset itself. The whole idea with the Flex series is that it folds up, whereas the other ones typically don't fold up. The ear cups may rotate, but the actual headband does not flex and fold up. And I'm not seeing, just like the other Evolve3 series, there is no microphone boom on this model. I think that's consistent with all of the Evolve3 series. We'll just pull off this little sticker here, and we have the volume, plus and minus, play, pause, answer calls. And then on the other ear cup here, peel this off, we have the power switch and USB-C. And one thing I noticed here is that the power switch is a little bit more recessed compared to some of the other models that I've looked at, where it kind of stuck out a little bit more. So it looks like they've made a revision here, less likely to accidentally bump it on, because you can see here it doesn't catch my finger at all. It's actually recessed in there, but there is a little bit of a notch, so you can still get your fingernail in there to turn it on. And it also looks like an actual, just a two-position switch. So let me try and turn it on here. Oh no, it does. So just like the other ones, it turns on, but then to pair it, you kind of hold it down into the Bluetooth position. So when you turn it on, it clicks into the middle, so it's actually a three-position switch. And we have USB Type-C, which is always great to see on a headset. There is also wireless charging available, so you can set that on a wireless charger and charge it. And that's pretty much it. Again, there's no microphone boom, so all of the microphones are built into the ear cups themselves. And this material right here is some kind of hard plastic, but the actual headband part here is a nice soft leatherette, I guess you would call it. So it's kind of back to the original material that the previous models used, whereas the 75 and 85 had more of a cloth kind of material. This is back to the leatherette on all of the materials. There's no cloth. But it looks here, we can compare it really quick to the Evolve2 65 Flex from a couple years ago. And this one, let's just fold it up here. side by side. So very similar here in size. The materials, the cushions and everything look exactly the same. Let's unfold it now, put them side by side, and there we go. So we have the Evolve 2 65 flex, the Evolve 3 65 flex, and of course the difference, the biggest difference here is the Evolve 2 has the mic boom and the Evolve 3 does not. Now this is the Teams variant. This is the Unified Collaboration variant, so this does not have the Microsoft Teams button, but you could, I would assume, order this in the Microsoft certified SKU, which would have that Teams button there. So that's pretty much it for the first look of this headset. We can see here there is some smooth expansion here for making it bigger and smaller. And yeah, at this point we'll have to start using it for a few days and we'll see how the sound quality, the fit and finish and all of that compares to the other models. So I hope you found this first look helpful. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe where I'll make some future videos covering more about these new headsets. So thanks for watching and have a great day.